welcome back to my channel. So as promised, I'm back with my another haul video. So this one is the part 2, like the makeup haul. I've also done part 1, like the skincare haul. If you haven't watched that, I will leave the link in the description box below, so you can just go and check out. So yeah, if you want to know what I have purchased for like in the makeup category, so please keep on watching. Again, I did shop a few stuffs like you can see, so I'm just gonna show you. First thing is this Nykaa Skin Shield Anti-Pollution Foundation, triple active formula, anti-pollution, deep hydration, oil control action, and this foundation is available in 15 shades. And oh my god, you guys, I just love this foundation. Love this foundation. This is the exact shade. I think this is just meant for my skin tone. So you can just go and check out how beautiful this foundation is. Again, I will leave the link in the description box below, just if you want to know how this foundation looks. So yeah, from Nykaa is this one, and I am in so love with this palette. This is their Nykaa eyeshadow palette in the shade Daydreaming, and oh my god, you guys, this palette is pretty, like so pretty. I just can't tell you. All the shades are like, you know, it's not that much pigmented, but definitely you can build up the pigment and you can work with it. And if you're a beginner just like me, then it's a plus point for you. You can build your pigment, you can just create a nice eye look. Also, I have done my eye makeup by using this palette. So I mean, all the shades are so pretty, and all the glitter shades are again also very pigmented. I'm just gonna show you the few swatches. Like, I'm just gonna show you. You know, it's just it has just come in one swatch, so you can just see how beautiful they are. Shades are really pretty, guys. You can just create a lot of looks by using this one. So yeah, if you're just practicing your makeup, practicing your eye makeup, you can give this a try. It costs you rupees 5.99, and you get 10 colors, which is not at all bad. And again, I got this one in offer. I think I got this one for 4.98 or 4.78, which was a steal deal for me. What I've shopped is this one Wet n Wild Kohl liner pencil. This is in the shade You Are Always White. I have two pencils. Accidentally I just added two in place of one, but it's okay. I will give one to my sister and I will keep one with myself. And let me tell you guys, it is so pigmented. It is so pigmented and so creamy. In just one swipe you will get the color. Can you see that? I have like so creamy, you guys, so creamy. So if you are searching for a good white eyeliner or white kohl pencil, you can definitely give this a try. It's for just rupees 135, and what else you want. And also, it's like the only cons about this is that you will not get a sharpener. You have to buy an additional sharpener for this, but that's alright. It's a pretty good pencil. Next thing is this Miss Claire eyelash glue. This is in the shade Dark Tone. I have already opened this one, but I haven't used this one. I really want to learn how to put false eyelashes, so for that I have ordered this false eyelash glue, so that I can practice and I can learn how to put them. And I would suggest you one thing, guys, that just don't go for cheap glues. You are going to put that stuff on your eyes, so just don't go for the cheaper option. Miss Claire one is a good brand, and still it's not that expensive. I don't know where it's just, I will just leave the price in the link again, and also I will leave the link in the description box. And also I will suggest you to go for the dark tone glue. It will not shown up that much, so yeah, you can just try this one out. So next product is a eyebrow product. I think this one is my first ever eyebrow product. I really need to try one. Before that, I just used to fill in my eyebrows with brown or black eyeshadow, but I just don't do my eyebrows. But I thought I should give this a try. So this one is from Etude House Drawing Eyebrow. It's a pretty good packaging and pretty cheap. You will get it for rupees 2.50, I guess. And you get a spoolie in one end, and you get a product like this, and it has this retractable thing, so you can just use this one like this. And this is in the shade 02 Grey Brown. So I was really confused between grey and brown, so I have my options. So this one is pretty nice. You can just work with it So yeah, if you want to give this a try, you can definitely give this a try. I have this product on my eyebrows and it looks so much natural. Got two lipsticks. So this one is their Nykaa from their Creamy Matte collection, and this one is their Matte to Last in Demi Matte formula, their mini liquid lipstick in the shade Chai, and this is in the shade Nailed It. So let me tell you about this one. This is so creamy, so glossy, and the shade is so pretty, you guys. I just can't even tell you. This is a perfect maroon with a hint of brown, and I love this kind of one from Nykaa. This shade is a perfect, the shade, the pigmentation, the formula, the wand, everything is so good about this lipstick. The only thing which I was so upset about it, you get just 1.2 ml of product by paying rupees 240, like not even half of the full size. At least you should give 2 ml of product, but no. So I would suggest you guys just go for the bigger one. I think it's a money wastage. You get so, like, it's such a less amount. It is again very pretty. I don't have place to swatch, but still I'm trying. It's the perfect brown with a hint of orange. It's a perfect nude for dusky skin tone. So the next items, I have bought it from Flipkart, and I did the biggest mistake to show you is this one is their Essence / Princess Mascara. This was in the Fall / Effect variant. Just leave its detail in the description box, like the ml and all, but you will get it for rupees 355, but I got this one in offer. Like I paid 250 or something for this. So everything is good about it, and I have heard a lot about Essence mascaras, but I think I chose the wrong variant because this one is way too clumsy. So you can give this a try, but I would suggest you to not. You can go for a different Essence eyelash, but this one is, I think, the wrong variant because it's just way too clumsy. I have to just, you know, keep removing excess of product to make my lashes like lumps free. So yeah, I would just not suggest you to go for this one, but it's okay, I can just still work with it. Which I had ordered from Flipkart, and from which I was very disappointed, is this Nicka K Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. This is in the shade Mocha Mix. This palette is so beautiful, but it came in a very damaged condition. Came in a totally damaged condition. Like you can see, this shade was all broken, and I don't know, it was so messy when it was arrived. So I just fixed this one by myself by putting some aloe vera gel, and so yeah, I just fixed this one by all myself. So I would suggest you to not shop. I did the same mistake before also. I had ordered that time the Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette. Show you that palette I have with me. You can just see the shades. I don't know, they just don't pack their product nicely, so they broke when they are just, you know, going through the shipping process and all. So I would suggest you guys to not to shop any sort of eyeshadow palettes or any cake product to like, you know, cake product means any highlighter like pan products or blushes. Just don't go for the Flipkart if you are shopping for these all things. So you can go for different websites. Don't do the mistakes which I did and which I really regret for these all. So you found it helpful, and I hope you did enjoy watching it, and if you did, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my video, and also don't forget to press that notification bell icon, so every time I will come up with the new content, you guys will get notified. And stay safe, stay at home, and please be kind to everyone. And yeah, thank you so much for watching me, guys. It really means a lot.